I'm going to try this. Oh, the music's still very loud for me. Oops, hold on. There we go. Okay, much better on my end now. Hi, Kit! Hi! So stream layout has changed a little bit, because in order to dual stream, I needed to move to OBS instead of Streamlabs OBS. And I can't merge chats, because Twitch doesn't like that. So, here we are. I have a nice, crinkly little piece of paper. Think you can hear it. Hi, Angelus. You can go to bed, you know. I know you were about to sleep. I'm sorry. But yeah, no, I have this nice crinkly paper over here, full of all of the things that I'm pretty sure that I need to do to make this work. Well, that's fine, Kit, because to be fair, I don't stream often enough. It's fine. It's fine. Whatever. Here, guys, welcome to Godot. Welcome to me attempting to do something on my own, because so far I've just been doing a course that I got on Udemy, and I'm about done with the second game in that course, which reminds me a lot of Flappy Bird. So, the Hell program. Oh, come on. It can't be that bad. It's not Unity. All right. Which I know Unity is nice as far as the interface goes, or at least so I've heard. It's just more the company, but whatever. Besides the point, I have a sheet of paper I can barely see because it's dark in the room. And barely a clue of what I'm starting with. So, it's a funny little game scene. You know what I should do? I should, in my little assets folder, drag in a background. A background would be great, but I closed my art app. Know nothing about how programming works. Know that Wold? What's Wold? Wolf. Oh, okay. Yes. Old Wold. Okay. I need to make this so I can actually see what I'm doing, and then save that as a PNG, and we'll stick it there. Stars. Save. And we'll just dump that in my assets folder. I can. And so I have this. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Wonder if I can change the viewport size. I'm sure obviously I can change the viewport size. I just don't know how to do that. D and F key are close. Yeah, they are. You know, Wold. Should rename them in the server. But this, I don't know how to resize that. It's just gonna cut off in the edge there. And also, look, I got it set up so as soon as I like run the current scene, it'll show you guys what the game is supposed to look like. And I just closed. Look, it was very simple to do, but I'm happy with it. Never mind. No, look, in that server, pretty much everybody has mod access. Not safe from a security standpoint, but whatever. Irrelevant. I have stars background, which it's not supposed to be a sprite. Hold on. We're gonna get rid of that. We're going to I can't remember what node it needed to be. Oh no. Node. Let's see. No, not it. Was it a control? I think it might have been this. No, it's absolutely not that. Oh, I'm already lost. Hang on. Might just pull up my notebook. No, I didn't. No, I didn't mean amalgam. That's why I said that server, because I feel like Peter is Throbbing is not friendly. to TOS things. To be fair, I did mark everything as not made for kids, and I did recently set my Twitch things to be. I just call it Peter. Peter's probably the better name for it. Okay, you know what? I need to hold on. We're gonna save what we got so far because I don't remember what node I'm supposed to be using. Hell is good. Calling the server hell is probably accurate. Okay. By the way, as far as volume goes, is the music a good volume? Is my voice a good volume? Like, is everything all right? Yes, okay, good. I'm glad. Because I wasn't sure that it was going to be okay. Where's the start of the alien attack one? God. I feel like such a nerd. I took physical notes for, an online class. I don't know, man. Getting input. No, not that one. Returning the scope. No, making them make. Oh, hold on. Wait, is that? No. Sorry, I am. Background. There we go. Canvas layer. That's what it's called. Canvas layer node. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Ah, got it. Okay, canvas layer is what we needed. Layer, No, not canvas layer? Uh. No. Okay, I need to pull up that page back. They they messed with it a lot on mobile. I don't know how badly they messed with it on desktop, but probably nothing great. It's the rockets, clamping position, making the maze. Background. Um. Ooh, I don't know what I made in my notes. This is not good. I took notes and I don't know what I mean. Should I hydrate? Or you know what's gonna happen. I'll get a dehydration headache. Don't worry, you don't have to do shit. So is this just supposed to be a bucket? I think this is just meant to be a bucket. No, I'm pulling up the other games thing. I'm just gonna save where we're at. Because I'm lost. It's fine. Project. Here we go. Just a moment. This one. Check automod. Oh. I gotta pull it up. You've been allowed. Yippee. Okay. This. Yeah, this is all the thing I was working on before. Background. Texture rect. And it's not even... Okay. I thought it was a green one. I was like 95% sure it was one of the green ones, which is the UI color. Okay, so we're gonna go back and pretend like that didn't happen. And pretend like I know what I'm doing. And I don't. It's fine. Canvas layer. Okay, canvas layer isn't really necessary. I don't know why it was included in one of the other things. So we're going to get rid of it. We're going to pull up a texture rect. So, there it is. This is just a picture. And that's all we need. Just a picture. Picture. Perfect. And now we have a background. Being overly aggressive chat does the streamers send their shit up, right? Your aggression is entirely funny. I enjoy your aggression. Come at me, bro. Okay. Because of the parallax background, actually canvas layer for UI. I think there's the other screen size. I think point over. Okay. Well. Okay. So there we go. Just background. I wonder if we can just like can I am I not allowed to scale it without going here? Yeah. Oh, hold on, wait. Shift and it, yeah, there we go. It's just the even scaling thing. Oh, that'll have to do. Okay, so we have this, and then we're going to make other scenes, and it's going to be great. So we're going to pull up a new one, and we're going to make. No, not it. Don't save it. That was the wrong thing. We're going to add. Interesting. I will look at that later. For now, Sprite 2D. And this, we're going to save as scene, I think. That'll be player. Save. Oh, it didn't pull that window up. Interesting. One of my friends that show up every month or so delivers soul-crushing insult and leave that argue with others in chat. VOP. So, Kit, basically what you're doing, in cybersecurity, that's called pen testing. You go in and you try to break shit, and you report what's broken. That's what you're doing, but for chats. Okay, this. I need to rename this to be player. Is there a rename? There is a shortcut. Player. Which is its own scene. Perfect. Good. That's exactly what I want. Actually, wait. I'm realizing something. Hold on. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to try something. I'm going to get rid of the player scene. Just to check. So I go here. Other node. I can do Sprite 2D. Perfect. I love that. Which we will be renaming to player because it's gonna be the player. And this is I should make a quick little like thing for that, shouldn't I? Okay. I'm gonna do a little bright square. We're gonna go ahead and add a screen to be seen. Oh, hold on. Oh, I can't edit it without doing that. Okay, it's fine. We're just gonna add it in this zone then. A window capture. Oh. Okay. That's bright, but it's fine. Capture cursor, automatic, must match. Perfect. Control's the thing to do. Like, at most 2 steps behind them like BS. Well, see, I guess there's also intent that's really important to remember, right? So, you're just, Trolls try to make a person's day worse. You don't try to make a person's day worse. You're just fucking around. You were not choosing peace yesterday. You were gonna steal my brain cells, kid. Okay. I'm gonna make a box. Where are my tools? I'm forgetting where all my tools are. Help me, please. Box. Fill with current color. What color are we using? We'll use gray. That looks good. Good. And then we're gonna have it. What? Is it not? I don't think it's cooperating with me. It's the intent, yeah. Oh, why can I get that? That's what I wanted. Did I click that on accident? Am I a fool? Okay, and then we're gonna pull up the text here. Flapping. Size big. Oh, size a little bit smaller than that? So we're gonna have a flapping texture, which we're going to save as a transparent PNG, and I'm gonna find a spot to save it at because I don't know where I want to save it right now. Do new image, no, folder. What am I doing? Flapping. Okay. Game assets. So we'll just have a random folder in my pictures there for now. Flapping. And then my personal favorite, not flapping. We'll move up and somewhat center there. It's great. Okay. Done with that for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to... Actually, first thing we're going to do is attach a script. Which is going to go in scripts. It's going to be player GD. Perfect. Script made. We're going to get to that in a moment. Oh yeah, I got to save this as a scene as well. Okay, so in the 2D bit here, we have a texture. We're going to put that texture as not flapping, which I need to put in the asset. Oh my god, I'm everywhere right now. Okay. Pictures. Game assets. Both of these. To the assets folder. Oh. It put it in the scripts folder. Okay. Okay. So not flapping is going to be our baseline here. And we're going to... Ooh. Oh. Need to hold shift. Make it small. Okay. An AV class house skeleton with a fake pumpkin on its head got his name. There was a vote and the name Pumpkin won, but the juice just fired the Pumpkin G. We love Pumpkin G. Pumpkin G is the best. Okay. This... That should be fine. About yay big, I think. And then we're going to put in this funny little thing called a collision shape. Yeah, we'll do collision shape. Oh, why are you mad? Oh. Okay. So this is not correct. I've messed up. Okay, I've messed up. This, no texture. Instead of a collision shape 2D. He also wore a suit sometimes? I love that. I will have Discord awaiting pictures. Discord is open and ready. Okay, so I've realized a mistake that I've made. I need, inside of this, a... wait. This one, the error. The error that it's saying needs... Character body 2D. That's what we need. Perfect. Did I mess that up, Ben? I feel like that's not supposed to... I feel like this should be the root node. Am I a fool? Possibly. Okay. I don't think it'll let me do that. It will let me do that. Okay. So can I... Oh. And I can't change the node. I can! Okay. Wait. Character body. Put that there, and we delete that one. We delete... The delete button's not working. I guess. That one. Okay. This one. Why are you mad now? Okay. And that's why I was... Oh. Oh. I think I just got things backwards. I think that's all I did. So now I put in the sprite 2D. And I stick it right there. And I put the texture in. Not flapping. It's been made small. You know, it's chilling. Small enough. Still looking for him. It's okay, you can take your time. And then collision shape 2D. Shape. Rectangle. Oh. Make big. Make big? Can I not make big? Am I not? Okay. I guess we're doing that then. There we go. So, that does a funny thing for us. If I am remembering how to do it correctly. So when it touches something, it should perish. Ideally. Now, I have to script that in. I have to like program that in, but that's what I need in order to program that in. So good. Texture rect is gonna go like all the way at the bottom. I'm gonna rename that to be background so I know what it is just by looking. Okay. We're going to... Ooh. I'm going to instantiate the player. That's what this is called. It's pretty fun. Oh, I didn't mean to do scale. No. This one. Oh, and that needs to be on the top, not below anything. Okay. Ordering. The index, such as something crazy like that. Perfect. Long-haired kit. Okay. I had to readjust where I was sitting there for a second. Okay, so we have not flapping right here, right now. Now, the first thing I want to do is be able to make it flap. So what we're going to do is process physics. Ooh, there's a little checkbox somewhere where I can just check physics on. I don't remember where. But it's here somewhere. Pickable? What does that mean? Okay. It's been found! The long hair was a sign! Pumpkin G has been is now visible again. Okay. Okay. I'm missing something. What am I missing? I think that's it. So if we were to current, this is gonna be the main scene. Interesting. What does that mean? Okay. I'd remove that and do just and so I put is there a texture option on here? No. What do I need? I need a thing, and I don't know the thing yet. Oh, I see the Discord. Pumpkin G is he is a G. Look at him. He's so fancy. I love Pumpkin G. I love that he's dressed up. I love that. What is it with like any teacher that has a skeleton in their classroom for whatever reason, you know, ideally they are you know, anatomy and physiology teachers, some kind of biology, right? They always have a name. I know the one That was in my 7th grade, not health science, but life science. And in my senior year, anatomy and physiology. AV? What's AV? Get the skeleton, probably at a garage sale. Audiovisual, oh, okay. I also just realized, because the debug window is still open, you can't see what I'm doing. It's fine. Close the debug window. Just close the program. It's fine. This. Oh yeah, and you can't see me creating a new node either. This one. I need to. Hold on. We're gonna change scenes just a moment so I can add something necessary. Okay. You know what? Cancel. I wonder if I change this. Properties. Oh no, that's right. Okay, I remember what happened when I did that. And it did not go well. Window capture. Window. Don't pop up. We'll call it pop up. Okay. That one. The actual head is missing. Okay, I think this will do it. Will this do it? No, it's just a big blankness in the middle of the screen. Odd. I know why it's odd. I know why it's odd. I need to find a way to change this default capture method. But with the default capture method being interesting. It's automatic for some reason. I have to change it every time to Windows 10 as the capture method, which is interesting to me. I don't know why it does that. Oh, it's also not showing the pop-up. Okay, I guess you don't get to see it. Like after it broke. That's probably what happened. That seems likely. Okay, what was I doing here? Need something here. I think. I don't think I need something here. I think. No. Oh. Okay, it's not there. Light. That's something I want to look at later. Maybe it's in control somewhere? Container? No. Fact, no. No texture rect. Okay. I'm slightly lost. We've never acknowledged it. Just a skeleton sitting in the corner of the classroom, as you do, as just you have there, right? God, I'm trying. I want to remember what I need here. I really, really want to remember what I need here. I don't want to have to go look. Fine. Okay, I'm gonna save what we got. Nope. Project list. Teacher was chill. Everyone in class was chill. A lot of things just went unquestioned. Yeah. It's fun when that happens, though, sometimes. Okay. Here. Game scene. Scene? Player. Open the player scene. No, not rename. Open the player scene. It is a sprite 2D in there. Interesting. Oh, I forgot I made that. Okay. Sprite 2D collision polygon. Okay. Teacher, huge bottle of sriracha and you put on nearly everything. I would not. To each their own. Okay. So it was a sprite 2D that was here. No, SPR. Try 2D. There's underneath the player there. And it is the thing that had this. That we now need to scale. To fit inside this silly little box. Okay. And so is there a reason why it said no? Can't be assigned to object of type character body 2D. That's interesting. Because it was assigned to that type in this other program. Oh! Oh, that's why, because I changed the node type. Oh, fuck, I'm an idiot. Okay. This type, stands character body 2D. That should. Yes, close the program. Thank you. Ah! I have it on the screen. I'm winning. Okay. I've gotten it successfully on the screen. We are doing great. Drank from the sriracha? Straight from the bottle. That's... Felt like a college professor trapped in high school. Yeah. Probably was the case. But look at this. We have now an object on the screen. Isn't that cool? And it's not breaking on me anymore. So, we're gonna make a variable called force. Not that. Force. And we're gonna make that equal to 200, just for the time being, just for shits and giggles. Actually, you know what would be a funnier number? That's a funnier number. By far. And then we're gonna make a little... Ooh, and I want a space there. I wanted a space there, did I not? Okay. Character movement. I hope I spelled that correctly. Okay. Here's where, like, the remembering's gotta come in. And the best life-tuning... Okay. Bro gave some the best life-tuning wisdom 1 second and then talked about Scott Pilgrim the next. Isn't Scott Pilgrim like a coming-of-age movie? I never watched it, I don't know. I think I'm thinking of the wrong thing. Or Kanye. You know, Kanye was a bit of a hot topic for a little while there, given controversy. Okay. So, I mean, life-changing wisdom and coming-of-age movie, they kind of go together. Okay. This is gonna need to be a physics process? I'll call it a physics process. Worst case scenario, it's not, and I move it. Okay. You're wrong. Oh. Well, I mean... Yeah. You know, I don't know. I know there was the animated show that came out. That's all I know. Okay. This is what we need. We need, here. I don't think you can see what I'm doing. No. So what I'm doing currently is creating an input map. I'm adding a new action that I'm going to call jump. And for this, I'm going to use keyboard keys. It's going to be up. It's going to be W, or it's going to be space, or it's going to be up on the arrow keys. And we'll call that jump. So, there we go. Good job. We did that. So, on no. No, hold on. I'm blanking. What else has a game? Ooh, I don't know how to game. Oh, and my phone's about to die. Oops. Okay, phone's no longer about to die. It's on the charger. If it dies, it'll die at a different time, and there. That's fine. Not one of the assistant principals put a parked in the wrong spot sticker in his car and he was chill about it. That's funny. I sounds like a fun teacher. I miss having fun teachers. All of my professors for college so far, the only one that I would consider fun was my philosophy teacher. Because, I mean, how do you? You know what? Okay. An interactive Twitch game, join streaming. Type something, see if it'll create a character for you. You know what? Sure. See what happens. Um, that is the... Yes, that's the correct screen. Okay. Channel. Oops. Okay. Let's pop it open real quick. Okay. Type anything to join game. Okay. I've said hello. Not sure if it's working. Transmore. Okay. Okay. Take two. Oh, and I gotta balance. Ooh, there we go. It's working. Okay. Prospector. Ooh. Oh, this is neat. Of course. Got anything other than people joining so far? Or is it, like, tell us about the game. I want to hear. Just got started? Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and drop a follow because I am excited to see how this goes. It is cute, isn't it? It's adorable. What's the plans for it? I saw Welcome Prospector. Your balance is 100. Gonna be sort of mining game. Mining games like weekly leaderboards for the biggest nuggets found. That's cool. I like that. Well, good job so far. If you need anything else, just hop back and chat. Good luck. All right, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm using the proper function for this because I don't remember. Okay, physics. I wonder if I was, whatever. I was wondering if I was supposed to use a different character body. Maybe, maybe not. Oh yeah, Kit, that's right. I missed a message. Officers at our school are also chill. We even got one. Oh, that's the thing on the car. One of them, not the stickered one, showed up at my fucking job because he was doing boat shit and officers came to teach the kids about boat safety. Spider-Man pointing moment. That's great. I love that. Just gotta. I have pictures of Spankus and a few of our other friends from school. Um, it was like dress up as a superhero day or whatever during Spirit Week, and I have images of like 3 or 4 different people who had dressed up as Spider-Man, just doing the pointing thing. Ooh, that's right. I need to um, create a whole new function. Function. Nope. Yes? Question mark? Physics extended time rather than friends. Okay. Okay. Am I making a function? I think I'm making a function. Yeah, I'm making a function, I'm pretty sure. So this function is going, we're gonna call it fly force. Huh. I'm gonna type things here. Is it gonna still be angry at me? Possibly. Oh, I know what I forgot. Ta-da. We love syntax. Something like coordinated dressing up as men in black. Was it like a Halloween thing or was it just to fuck around? Not minions, no. Oh, I think our band did that at some point. I wasn't, Halloween, nice. Yeah, no, our band did something where they had all dressed up as minions too. And like anybody who couldn't dress up as minions, they'd gotten like a yellow shirt and jeans or something along those lines. Just to match. It was funny. They had to wear that the entire day. Oh, and then on a Halloween after that, I wanted to wear a Leia costume. I have brown hair, right? So I figured it would be fine if I wore the wig because it's also a brown hair wig and I literally could just put my hair up like that if I wanted to. And then I had the dress and the belt. That was it. That was the entirety of the costume because they had said no costumes for Halloween. It's whatever. I didn't care. I was like, you know what? Whatever. I can just take the wig off and it's good enough. And they said, no, it's not good enough. Like, what if I take off the belt too and just have the dress? Like, that's fine. Fuckers, fine. So I ended up in just the Leia dress until I went to my CTE program, and they were chill with it. It was worth it. The instructions were Gru and Dr. Nefario. 3 others were the girls, and 2 were bananas, and 3 were evil minions. Dude, my stepmom she's very much Facebook mom, and adores the minions. So much so that she has a big purple minion tattooed on her upper chest. I think that's where it was. It was either that or upper back. It was somewhere on her upper torso. Just big fucking purple minion. I'm like, that's okay. It's a big old blow up costume. Would have worn it all day, but would have needed a handler. Yeah, that makes sense. Because those blow up costumes are difficult to just exist in for a while. All right, I gotta work on this function. This will be. What is this gonna be? Because there is a Y value that I need to change. Global. No, not global. No, it's not that. Velocity dot Y. This equals force. I think. I don't think that's correct. I don't think that's correct at all. Let's see. Every physics update. So this it'll be expected indented block. There is something indented right here. I just don't think it likes it. I also don't think I got that correct. We're gonna move to a. We're gonna save that. We're gonna go to a different project where I was using the velocity thing. Which okay. That was Speedy Saucer. Which was player. Here, player script. Player script here. Apply force. Apply force exists already. Oh, I didn't have to make it. Vector 2. I don't remember the point in using the vector 2. figure it out another time. It's fine. What is... Okay. Gotcha. Project. I don't think I'm gonna need a vector 2 for it, because I'm only... I should probably still use it just in case. Because I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing yet. Okay. Okay, so apply force exists as a function. I don't need to make it. This is great. This is very, very good news. Because that means I can just take input is action just pressed jump. And then from that, I think is what it was. What's it mad about? Parse error, especially in a blogout. Do I? Because that is still a function. So... No, I forgot instantly exactly what I just saw. So I'm gonna go back to it. I'm gonna save it back here for now. It's all bad and it's red and angry, but it's okay. You're reading a manga I like because I rewatched the anime. It doesn't cover the rest of the manga yet. I have hope for season 4. Probably just waiting for the current arc to conclude. The manga's red and angry, yeah. But the manga's monthly. Oh, I feel the manga monthly thing. So I have been following Toilet Bound for a while. It's only monthly, and I'm just... So I kind of dropped it for a few months, or actually like almost a year, and then I came back and read it in one sitting. Because there's just not that many... I know, I love Toilet Bound. Okay, so that was my issue. That if. It's an if statement. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. So we're gonna go back. Now that I know what I was messing up. Month pain, my beloved. Yeah, exactly. Because it's just, you have to... I hate the waiting. I hate the waiting for it. Okay. So I have the problem solved. Just like that. Look at that. Beautiful. It's no longer red and angry. Okay. So this will be apply for... Is that not? Okay. Vector 2. And that will be... force 0. I think. Oh. Not found in base self? Oh. So I'm apparently unable to write, because why? In use. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So I'm using the wrong thing here. I need to use something different. Let's change it. Change type. No TD. It's somewhere here. Physics body. We're gonna get rid of that. It's gotta be a physics body. I think. Really sure. Do we not have a physics body? Rigid body? We'll change it to rigid body. And that will be... We'll change this to rigid body 2D. See? Ah! Oh. I'm hitting space and I don't think it wants to go up. This. Why are we angry? Configuration warning. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Oh, I just got a little ding from the program I'm using with to dual stream. It said, "Congratulations, you received 100 messages today with a restream chat." That's kind of nice. Ding. It didn't actually ding at me, but close enough. Let's see, if you want another monthly manga to suffer with, you should watch / read World Trigger. Normally, monthly manga have a pretty fast pacing chapter-wise, but it takes its sweetest time. Yes. Wonder from who? It's so many strangers in chat, kid. Like I've blown up recently. I don't know if you've noticed. It's been on YouTube, right? Yeah, it's like, oh my god, all the I've been ignoring the YouTube chatters. You know, like they're just YouTube. What? Ah, don't need it. Okay. This I need to see real quick. Okay. So it's not recognize. It's not doing what it's supposed to, which is not good. Do I need? I know, because it's not. You're better. You are better, kid. Now, if you showed up on YouTube, I wouldn't know what to do. I'd lose my mind, I think. That's why they. Flashing is your body 2D will be overremoved by the physics engine when running. Change the size and children colors and shapes instead. Okay. Can I scale both these at the same time? Nope. Okay, fantastic. I just make it small. And then this one I take and I make it small. And apparently off center. Ooh. Uh-huh. What is this? Get in there. Oh, there we go. Perfect. 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 Now we can try maybe? Okay. And it's still not flapping. If your mind's be blown? Oh my god. Oh no, Kit, what are you doing? Kit, what are you doing? I'm quaking. I'm shaking in my boots. No! Kit in YouTube chat, what do I do? I'm lost. That's fun. Okay. I'm just no, I can't ignore YouTube chat anymore. You've done this to me. Oh god, I need to figure out what's going on with this. I need to figure out why this is being a pain. Kid in YouTube chat. Okay. We're all in my head? Kid in YouTube chat real? I can't tell. I don't know. I don't know what's real and what's not anymore. My mind is imploding. But would Kit stoop to the level of being in YouTube chat? That's the important question. Can I believe that Kit would do such a thing to me? And I don't think they could. Yes. No, Kit, you can't confirm this. My worst fears, they've come true. No? What does this mean? Oh. Okay. God, I don't know why this is not being gravity scale physics material. I don't know what that is. Gravity scale. Velocity. Angular. Oh, I can put angular velocity on. That's funny. Velocity. Don't set this frame because physics may run another thread. Granularity. It means nothing. It means everything. I am being. I'm taking psychic damage. What do I need to roll? How much HP do I have? I don't know how much I have to spare. My brain cells are dropping rapidly. Yeah, ripping at the seams reality is. Okay. I don't know what to do about this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong at the moment. And that is when we go to the lovely little test projects that I have been working on. So I can figure out what the hell I'm doing. Okay. RTD focusing on the player. That's fine. Whatever. It is physics process. Variable force. Okay. And all this, it's fairly straightforward. So why is it giving me troubles? That one I know has like, yeah, okay. So I feel this is just, I'm just gonna Control C. Right? And then we're gonna go back to this project. And open up the script and do like so. Oh, Control Z, like so. No. Is that what I forgot? Did I forget an extra? Am I a fool? Did I forget an extra parenthesis and it just broke on me? Is that why I was messing up? Is it just not a high enough force? I think that might be it. Well, triggers on Netflix apparently, which I discovered after I watched it through a shady website. I don't know if I'm logged into Netflix on anything. I might have to get the login again then. Because, okay, so my phone bricked itself like a couple months ago now, I think. Something like that. And so I got logged out of everything. I don't. You could. I also have my own shady website, so it's up to you. Okay. I think the issue here is not that the thing wasn't working. I think what happened is the force was too low, so we're going to make it insanely high. We're going to crank that shit up. 69,420, and we're going to hit play. Please do it. Okay, I think that was another issue, is I had it in the wrong order. Oh no, wrong one. Negative force. My bad. No, negative. There we go. It's just I found up. I love that. Okay, we can make it work with just 420 now that I have it in the proper order. Nope, nope, can't click fast enough to make that work. Okay, so we're just gonna do. Oh, not enough, not enough. Instead of changing this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the mass because I just really want the number to be 420. Huh. Okay. Issue. It's doing that. I don't know why it's rotating. This is not good news, given that the moth will not be a circular object. So I don't know how to keep it. Huh. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. I don't know how to stop it from rotating. The moth rotating would be funny. But the thing is, it's not continuously rotating, right? So when you're looking at this, it goes, and it's like the origin of it is at that top edge there, or the left edge when it's up properly. And so it just stays that way. It doesn't keep rotating. So it just goes sideways and sticks around. I wonder if I need to change the origin of it in order for it to not do this. And I don't know how to change the origin. This is things we'll be learning. I didn't anticipate this is a problem. It's apparently a problem. Okay. Center of mass, auto, custom. There we go. There we go. There we go. So center of mass is not going to be... Oh, actually, it should be fine at 0, 0. Custom at 0, 0. Yeah, oh, you're also funky. You should also be at 0, 0. I don't know why you're not. I thought I'd put you there. Okay. Why did that do it again? What? No. Oh. Hold on. You know what? I'm just gonna reset. Okay. Oh, that's why. Rectangle. Okay. Perhaps. Dun, 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 dun. I think that's what needs to happen. Is I need to move the silly little sprite here. Oh. Wrong thing. What's the shortcut to hit that again? Q. I think what needs to happen here is I need to make this fit and then stick it in the middle. And then I need to move the sprite 2D here. No. We're moving it. Not. Ah! Hide. We're moving you. Actually, you know what? I can show that, and I can... That's the movement one. And I think that's what was throwing us off before. I take this, and I give it just a little nudge that way. Stick it in the middle. Perfect. All right. So, let's try running it out. See what happens. It is now doing exactly what it's supposed to. It is staying upright. If I wanted to keep it rotating, I could probably put something in to change the origin. Not flapping. Correct. Not flapping. So, here's the next task. The next task is me changing it from not flapping to flapping. So here will be where we change the texture. I have no idea how to do this. The only reference I have to do this is changing the label in a completely different set of nodes. So we're going to see if I can figure it out without going through tutorial hell. First things first, we're going to pull this up. No, we're going to pull up Sprite 2D, which I think 95% sure I'm going to need to import that. Fuck, I don't remember how to do that. It is a thing that I know I need to do, but I don't remember how to do. A problem that can be solved because I took notes. And I honestly, To be 100% honest with you, I did not think that I was going to be looking back at notes. Here I am. I think I remember actually. Let's see. So it's at already. What comes after that? I don't remember what comes after that. Hold on. Already. I had to change it into a variable. Already. Var var sprite, we'll call it, equals preload. Preload. Can I drag the sprite in? Yes, yes, that's what I need. Okay. I think. Oh, is that not what I need? Why are you angry? Preload path must be a constant string. Oh, I forgot. I don't need preload there because that little $sign says it for me. There we go. So now I have the sprite 2D in here. So I can take sprite dot. There's a signal for texture changed. Oh. Ooh. Okay. I didn't know that was a thing. I did not gonna do that. So here, node, frame changed, texture changed, draw, item rank changed, visibility changed. Interesting. I didn't know there was a thing for that. Now I know there's a thing for that. That's nice. That's nice to figure out. Anyways, texture. Now, I'm also going to have to bring in the two other variables of the flapping and not flapping textures. So, I think, at least, that's what it's going to be. Our, flap texture? No, just flapping. We'll just call it flapping and not flapping. Equals preload assets flapping. And then on top of that, on ready. No, on ready. Oh my god. On ready. For not flapping. Typing, not my strong suit. This is not good news for me, but I'll figure it out. Not plus. No. Oh my god, load. Not flapping. So, what should happen? Texture equals not flapping. Sorry, no, texture equals flapping. I'm a fool. It works. I got it. Kit, I got it. Are you there? Okay. Now I had... Yeah, okay. Did you see it? Because that's the important part. You gotta get to see it. So we have the not flapping, now it's flapping. Now, I need to make a thing to turn it back. But for now, I know how to change it. I changed it. Okay. So, texture equals flapping. And now, I need to find a way to determine how to make it not flapping. Previous idea was to take note of the... Here, so var temp y equals global position dot y, right? And then if global position dot y is I gotta think is let's see, global position y not plus plus, Jesus man, is equal to Let's say less than. Let's say it's less than temp y. Oh, I forgot. I need colon. Yes. Okay. Good. It was agreeing with me. If global position y is less than temp y, then right. Dot text. No. No. Texture would be equal to not flapping. Now, the way that this should work is it will take the number, it will take the y coordinate of where it is on the screen when you press the jump button. So you press the jump button, records the y coordinate, changes the texture to be flapping after having launched it up into the air a little bit, and then checks if the current position of it is less than the temporary y, which should then change the texture back to not flapping. That's the concept here. Let's see what happens. Didn't work. It probably needs to be in some sort of repetitive loop. Or I cut it out of there. Or, no, hold on, wait. I take it out of there and try it again. Okay. Not working. This is an issue. I think I see what's going on. No, hold on. Variable temp y, it should stay set once it's been assigned. So it shouldn't change unless the jump is tapped again. Ah, hold on. I got it. This doesn't belong there. Oh, wait. There's a little handy thing there. That doesn't belong there. That belongs here. And we're gonna put a little tab on there. Implies not declared in the current scope. Okay. And so then if we tab both of those in, let's see. Oh, I need to fix that to is action just pressed. Because otherwise you can just hold it down and that doesn't help anybody. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm just gonna mess with the force a little bit. Okay, it should probably be higher than that. We'll put it like... Getting rid of the funny number. We'll put it 2,000. Okay. I don't know how to make the texture change back. Oh, okay. So, using that texture change signal, I wonder if there's a way for me to start a timer, because there are timer objects. Maybe what I can do is I can start a maybe. Okay, let's see if I can do that. Let's see if that's an option. Okay. No. Start timer on signal. Godot. Now, how do I create a timer? I need to... I wonder if I could make a timer object. Yes, I can. A timer to the scene says time. Okay, time. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna mess around. We're gonna add a timer in here. No. T-I-M. There we go. Add a timer. Inspector. I want to know how to start the timer. Process callback? I don't know what that will do if I use process callback. Okay, maybe if I look up start timer on user input. Godot. Oh, I can. Okay, so there's literally just a start command. There's quite literally just a start command. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna put that to like 0.5 seconds. Okay. And we're gonna need to pull in this timer. Alrighty, but timer equals timer. Nope. Timer. Fairly self-explanatory there. It's not, but expected identifier? Oh, var, my bad. There goes my lack of typing skills again. It's fine. We're making it work. Okay. Okay. So then. So let me take timer start. Okay. And then we'll take that and we'll especially okay. No, that wasn't the thing. What's the debugger angry about? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Because so far things are working. We're gonna get the timer to start and we'll say no, there's a I forgot how to detect signals. There's a way to detect signals. I can no player. I can open this up here on timeout. I can just hit connect to the player script on timer timeout. Connect on timer timeout. Sprite dot texture equals not flapping. So then timer start. I don't know. It does work. I did it. I did it. Not the way that I was intending, but I did it. I got it. I got it. Okay. So, we now have a box that jumps and changes texture on top of a background. I think I'm doing good. So, solid foundation. It's only been like, how long has it been since I started streaming? It hasn't been that long, has it? Let's see. Oh, it has been a little bit. 2:52. This first channel. Well, okay. So it's been over an hour, but I'm happy about this. I'm incredibly happy about this. Like, super happy. Okay. So yeah, I have a thing. I'm going to reduce the time on the timer because 0.5 seconds is a little bit too low, I think. Or a little bit too long. This is perfect. I adore this. Okay. We have a jumping box. It's great. All right. Now that we have the jumping box, we need obstacles. We need lots of obstacles. for this is for what's going to be our moth to encounter. Oh, what we also need to do is make this smaller because it's still too damn big. We're gonna scale it down quite a bit. And we're going to make this box fit inside that box. Very, very carefully, I think. Okay, we're gonna need to move it. I can't remember W's move mode. Wonderful. Okay, and yeah, those S. Makes sense. Good enough. Now we should have a smaller box. We do. We have a smaller box. This is great. Okay, we have a smaller box that jumps and changes texture. Progress. Progress. Took longer than it probably should have, but it's fine. Now, we need to make a new thing here. We're going to make a new 2D scene. And this is going to be... Sorry, no, we're not making a new 2D scene. Don't save. I lied. We're making an area 2D? I think. I think that's what we're making. I may be wrong. I may change my mind later. It's fine. For now, we're doing great. Area 2D. This is where we're going to have our obstacles, or at least one of them for now. Because if we can just get it to keep spawning obstacles, that will be great. Okay. So we're gonna pick up the big this. We're gonna pick up this again, and we're going to hide those, and we're going to make a new layer, and just box. We're just going to box here, here. No, not quite. We're going to make a big box there. Oh, that is a tiny eraser. Why is my eraser like that? Why? Okay. And then we're gonna ruler. Oh, I've made a fool of myself. Brush. I think that should be adequate. Eraser. We're gonna make that. Tiny eraser. Bigger eraser. We just need something that I can make spawn, and then I can add more later. Okay. Save as transparent PNG. Obstacle. Oh, 1. I'm 95% sure that's not how you spell obstacle. We'll figure it out later. Okay. We have an area 2D. We're going to need something else. We're gonna need. Hmm. I don't know what static body 2Ds does. Doesn't affect other bodies on its path. I don't think we want that. I think we do just want the area 2D. And then we'll do... I don't know. Undecided. Undecided what we're doing here. You know what we are gonna do here? Actually, no. I'm just gonna make it a sprite. I'm just gonna make it a sprite. Just gonna make it a sprite. I don't know. I'm gonna make it a sprite. Sprite 2D. We're going to dump our texture in there, which is obstacle 1. Dump it into the assets. Dump it into here. Make it small because oh dear God. No. Control C. Now we're gonna make it a little. Okay. Oh no 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 no. We're not rotating. We're not rotating. We're not rotating. I hit the wrong buttons. Is what happened. Ugh. Can I move? Thank you. Okay. And we're gonna put good, no offset, no animation, no. Should be good. Hello, how's the game dev moment going? You want to see? Ooh, Wolf. Okay, so I made a box that jumps and it changes textures on its own. Watch this. Wild. And it goes up. I am gonna have to not let it do that. I forgot I'm gonna need to clamp it, but it's fine. Look at that. It changes textures. Hi, Wold. Hi, Wold. Ooh, I have a jumping box. Wolf, I have a jumping box. Look at it. Yeah, it's like 420. Oh, this is at 2000. I'm gonna call this that's not. Oh my god. How CLE. I think I'm gonna call it obstacle 1 scene. I'm gonna save that here real quick. So in the player, we have our funny little script here. It's at 2000. Yeah, 42069 bucks. Go jump. So 42069. Okay. We hit play. And Wolf, I need you to watch closely. Wolf, are you watching? Divided by 0. Okay. I hit play, and we have a limited amount of time to make it fly into non-existence. It'll come back down eventually. But not anytime soon. Come back. I think it just came back. Oh, I love just watching things fly on screen. It's great. Here it goes. I feel like I'm gonna miss it. Oh, there it is. I changed it back to 2000. You know what? I'm gonna leave it at 2069. Because that's enough. I think that's a healthy flap, right? I've completely forgot I had salt and vinegar chips. I am having chips real quick. Snack break. It took me over an hour to do this, but I don't care. I got it done. It is incredibly disturbing that those salt and vinegar chips taste like cat hair. Why did they taste like cat hair? Ugh, okay. I don't own a cat, for the record. They taste like cat hair. You know, like how a cat smells? It tastes like that. I'm utterly baffled. You don't understand the confusion that I have from that. cats are like, why have you done this to me? What have I done to you, Wold? I love cat ear chips. Hi, Axo! I do deserve this. Oh, I'm allergic. Oh, yeah, that's right. You are allergic, but you have cats. God, I want a cat. I want a cat so bad. But my stepdad is not just allergic, like deathly allergic. Like he walks into my grandparents' house, who they have not had cats in the home for a significant amount of time now because all of them kept pissing all over the counters and they said, "No, you're outside cats." um so they have can't think of salt and vinegar chips. No, because they don't normally taste like cat hair. They don't normally. That caught me so off guard. Yeah, no. So my stepdad will walk into my grandparents' house that has been clean of cats for like over a year now, and still just you damn near go into anaphylactic shock. Like he is deathly allergic to cats. Fur feels different from when it still has the allergens in it versus when they don't. Oh, interesting. I haven't had a cat long enough to know that. Hmm. You know, they. I'm just incredibly upset that these apparently taste like cat hair. I They don't normally. They normally taste very, very tasty. But less now that I'm getting a resistance. Like gaining resistance to the allergens. Oh, still horrifically allergic to dogs. I love my dog too. Yeah, my stepdad, he's also allergic to dogs, but not to the same extent as cats. Um, so we have my dog at the house currently and a puppy that we are fostering, which I wouldn't really call it fostering so much as we had given her to someone we thought was capable of taking care of her, and he has proven to not be capable of taking care of her, so my mom took her back. um, but yes, we've had dogs for a bit now, and my stepdad's like mostly calmed down on the allergies for it. He's gotten used to it. So yeah. Mm. All right. Obstacle 1. I don't remember what I'm doing for this. Which are going to rename to obstacle 1. Just for ease. Also needs a script. Does it? Yeah, no. Yes, it will need a script. Not scenes. Scripts. There we go. Is allergic to be there, horse, to not let them tell you otherwise. Allergic to sunscreen. Okay, first, why is be a horse? Second, what part of sunscreen are you allergic to? Because that is a very unfortunate allergy to have. Bad cop? Who is this? I see cats. I see cats in chat. We have been talking about allergies and how people we know, including people in chat, are incredibly allergic. Pop cat. Pop. I'm screaming like sun scream. Allergies are going wild. Yeah, I haven't had too like I don't have really bad allergies for pretty much anything. I have lucked out. Um, but I thought I was having some allergies for this past week, and instead I was just and like bad cold. I just had horrible congestion, horrible sinus headache. Just ugh. The party animals dog? Is the party animals corgi? So Bad Cop Axo, what I have been working on is in the title, Flappy Bird clone. And so far we have jumping box that changes texture. And we're doing great. Right now what I'm attempting to work on is spawning the obstacles, which are going to not be pipes, because I have a different theme in mind. To the 2069, I will. See, we learned that if we set it incredibly high, we get a very funny result. Goodbye, box. This has made me cackle more than it should have. But here we are, with box that will be reappearing at some point. There it is. They left just flinging off the screen. Going to officials and chat. This chat? This chat? Like, were they saying? Hold on, what? What? I was unaware of that. That chat. They may have rated. Oh wait. Ooh, maybe hold on. I just realized I don't have my Twitch dashboard up to check for raids and stuff. Oh. Dashboard, where are you? Oh, I got raid. Oh, I didn't even realize it was a raid. I am so sorry. Thank you for the raid, Bad Cop. Okay. I have just started dual streaming, so I don't have all of my alerts in order yet. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you for the raid. I really appreciate it. Yeah. So welcome, raiders. Anybody who is there. Very sorry for the jankiness today. Yeah. Don't know where the chat when they were just ghosted. Come on, Rana. Kid, be nice, kid. Come on. Don't make me look bad. Don't make me look bad in front of the raiders that may be ghosts. Alright, well never. Bad Cop, how'd your stream go? What were you working on? I think some LD games. I feel like I should know what that is. That sounds familiar. Oh, LD games. Not LED games, jeez. I'm typing is not my strong suit today. Ludum Dare, okay. You know, I don't think I have heard of that. Oh. Game Jam. Oh, okay. That makes more sense. So Ludum Dare hosted a game jam? Is that? I think that's what I'm gathering. Ludum Dare game jam. Oh, I see. The original game jam for everyone on their website. Cool. Nice. You know, I attempted to complete along with Kit here and Wolf, if Wolf's still in chat. And one other person. I was planning on submitting something to the Pirate Software Game Jam, and that just never came through. I did not have the time. I don't know if anybody else had the time either, and it just ended up not happening. But we do still, yeah, we're still here. We do still plan on making the game at some point, but just hasn't happened yet. And then I saw Jackie Code's Game Jam that was going on, which I saw like 3 days before completion. So I was like, yeah, it's not happening. And now I'm just doing stuff to learn because I hope to do this for a career. We'll see what happens. Do too many gems. I don't have the skills yet, I don't think. It's taken me an hour to get to this point. And I also kept forgetting everything. I had to keep going back to reference projects that I had done in the Udemy course that I'd gotten. Janky, very janky. Don't just an artist. Don't just an artist over here. The art is important because without the art, you have box that says flapping, not flapping. It's a funny box, but it's not a pretty box. Which I should fix that variable there real quick. Box. Hello, it's Boats. Welcome in. Is that on? Okay, I'm gonna have to check now every time if it's a raid or not. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hello, welcome in. There's chat. Chat has arrived. Ooh. Hi, Photoflops. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome. I'm not experienced at all. Streaming at the moment to learn what I'm doing. Mostly to hold myself accountable, so I'm actually doing what I'm supposed to be doing. But we'll see how it goes. I have funny box that jumps. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. Just in case. Funny jumping box that changes textures. The texture changing is something that I did not learn from anything else. I figured that out on my own, which I'm very proud of. Very simple. YouTuber. So this little jumping PNG over here, my friend Jay made for me. So she is JFoxIfis on Twitch. Hold on, I gotta go find her. And I know she was doing like other art commission things as well, but I don't have a link to anything for that other than her Twitch here, which I will send in chat. Says my friend. I've known her since like forever. And we were almost sisters. Fun fact. My dad and her mom were dating for a while. And then she made me this, and I told her she needs to sign it, and she never signed it. So I'm doing this. She's getting a plug. Almost, we were almost sisters. And we have the same name, except spelled differently. So I'm Jade without a Y, and she's Jade with a Y. Which is why she goes by J. And then I'm the older one, but she's Jade 1 and I'm Jade 2. It's weird. I don't know why we decided that, but we decided that. It was not a parent thing. That was us. So yeah, where we're at. So yeah, I like my little pop cat. Also based on a cat that I used to have. But we ended up needing to surrender her, unfortunately. So she lives on. Yeah, so she lives on as my avatar now. It's very cool. Now this, I need to make a thing so that way this will have collision of some sort. Inferior Jade. No. Me or her? Who are you calling inferior, kid? Make it Flappy Cat? You know what? For the time being, whose name is spelled Kit. I'll find where you live. No, Flappy Cat. That would be funny to do temporarily, because so that pirate software game jam that I was talking about, this was going to be themed with the same like concept. So the theme had been it's spreading, and so I'd be fish. That'd be funny. But the concept I'd come up with was a plague of cloth attacking the world, pretty much spreading across the entire world, and you were playing as moths, trying to get rid of the cloth. It was going to be called Moth and Cloth. and you gotta like attack it and win. Right? It was gonna be like an RPG style thing. So I wanted to make this based on that, but gotta get going, unfortunately. Okay, bye, EXO. Thank you. Thank you for stopping in. But this I could, for now, snag my other assets. Where are they? My no, not video. There's game assets there. I need my stream assets. I have too many asset folders. I need to condense them one way or the other. New window. Not program data, Jesus. Okay. So we'll just in the script here, let's just mess with it. Oh, did I not? I didn't save it. I didn't put it in the right location. It's fine. No idea what I would have done for that theme. A lot of people came up with really creative ideas, I thought. A lot of people did like I saw some people do like a fire kind of like 4-directional shooter kind of thing. I saw some people do vines and moss spreading. Um there's there was like some kind of plague that was going through one of the caves for one of the games. I wasn't able to watch the stream where you played through all the winners, unfortunately. But you know, it's still pretty cool to see. I was poking my head in the game dev channels to see what was going on, what other people were doing. I'm gonna call this mouth open. And then mouth. Oh, did I mess something up? Oh, I messed something up. Wait, not there. You know, I honestly, with that theme, I struggled. I was struggling. So I saw spread, I was like, bedspread. Bedspread would be a fun thing to do. And then my initial idea was, I hated it. Everyone I described it to was like, I don't know if that's good. And then it just ended up being okay. Hi, Mate Dev. Welcome in. Good to have you. We were discussing game jams and stuff that we have done. Or stuff that other people were doing for, in this instance specifically. Okay, this. Yeah, just while I have this. Right, today we're going to replace it with little guy. Make it small. And we're gonna rotate it, actually, because I feel like that'd be funny. Hold on. Transform. Rotation. 90. Okay. Now I'm curious if it will... yeah. I love this. Okay. Okay. I am totally keeping this for now. This is great. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. We have a silly little popcat there for the time being. I said gem starts tomorrow. I don't know if I have the willpower. I wonder what the theme for that is. I don't think I have the ability at the moment, but I'll look at it anyway. Fireside game jam. Game to Fireside community. We hope to make this a relaxed 9-day jam where everyone can have fun and learn to create better games. Theme will be announced in the Discord at the beginning of the jam. Oh, okay, so no theme. Well, oh wait, game jam's now over. Oops, that's... I looked at the wrong one. That's 2023. We're on 2024. There's the page. Yeah, still gonna be announced server at the beginning of Jam. That makes sense. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I'd have the ability. I do have a week off of class, but I don't know. Use Godot also, and I find protocol not good enough, and the GD script compiler can be a bit challenging at times. That's fair. I'm still learning stuff. I did start a course with Unreal Engine, and then I had dropped it in favor of doing Godot because I wanted to do the 2D sort of thing for that Pirate Software Game Jam. And I just haven't gone back to the Unreal one yet. I also have like a couple of courses set up for Unity as well, just so I have a variety going on. But for now, just like for personal projects and stuff, I think Godot might be the one that I want to go with. Just because I won one. That's fair. That's fair. What game did you win with? Good luck. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for popping in. PR protector. Okay. What was it about? Or is it just like how it sounds? Gotta stop people from doing dumb things. We're in public relations for Megacore. Yep. That's how it sounds. Okay. Okay. We're gonna get. Oh, not rotate. Oops. I forgot I had that on still. One there. I need. Okay. This here. What happened? What? Why did that happen? Did I have both selected? Am I a fool? Oh. Oh no. Why is that happening? You are two separate things. You should not be interacting with each other like that. Why is it? Interesting. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of the bottom one. Just for now. Okay. We're gonna do that. Oh, just a little. Hold on. We gotta make that a little better there. Okay. And then we add a new one properly. No. Vision shape. Rectangle. Okay, that's better. No, I didn't like it because I copied it. Which, fair, I guess. Okay. Now our shape's in. Game. Yeah, let's just bring the player back in. Nice it goes. There we go. Why is that small? Oh, it's bigger there. Interesting. Yeah, well. Then obstacle, if I'm to bring it in here. Ooh. There. Alright, can we move obstacle? Okay. We need you to go just all the way to the back, please. Okay. Okay. So now it should be a thing. Yes. Okay. So we have that. And now we make it move. Let's make it move. Script. Speed equals, we'll call it, let's try 250. Okay. Okay. Movement here. Let's see. We're gonna do physics process, and then position dot x equals negative speed times delta. Yeah, pretty. Oh. Okay. Okay, so 250 is too much? Maybe? Let's just do 10. Oh, hold on. That's not physics process, that's why. It's just process. No? Okay. That didn't work as intended. Reading the bottom. You know what? You're right. You're right. Thank you. Thank you for that. And then I also realized why this is not working. I'll get to that in a second. Oh, okay. So bottom object. Thank you for catching that. All right. That and then plus equals. That's why it's not moving. Now it's moving at a snail's pace, but it's moving. Looking at the bright side of things here. Eh? Okay. Things aren't colliding yet. We get there. Okay. All right. I'm happy. I'm happy I'm making progress. I wasn't expecting to get this far, I guess. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So we need a spawner. Need to make a spawner. I don't remember how to do that, so I'm gonna open up one of my other projects. This one. Here we go to, and we have enemy spawner. Can we open that? In another thing. Enemy spawner. There we go. So I'm just gonna copy that over and edit it as needed. Okay, so I needed a, first off, new 2D scene. That's gonna be our obstacle spawn. Oh, come on. Spawner. And we're gonna give it a script. And it's gonna be great. Scripts. Perfect. Okay. Great. No, I know it's not there. You're gonna yell at me. That's fine. obstacle 1, we're going to take it out of the game here. You don't need it there. You need to... I feel like I need to comment everything out just so I can take as needed. Control K? Yes. Got it. Okay. Let me see. So, we need to... Yeah, we need to do that, but with the obstacles. So we're just going to do obstacle 1 for now. Obstacle, yes, that's correct. Obstacle 1. Load. Not assets. It's going to be scenes. Obstacle 1. Perfect. No. Yes, I do need to do that. The scene. Perfect. I just started learning Godot. Helps watching others solve problems. Agreed. I have been kind of like lurking in a few chats as well. Just kind of looking around, seeing what's going on. It is very helpful to just to see the thought process of working through problems. And like not learn how to think, but learn what directions are possible. And sometimes look at like, oh man, I have no idea how to solve that problem. Let's see what happens. And just seeing other people do it helps. It really does. And all of this is from a course that I'm taking outside of a Udemy course. And to be completely honest with you, I'm not sure how much of this is technically supposed to be shown. If I'm able to. But it's the same concepts. I'm using it anyway. What's preload for? So, preload, what it does, is it gets this, okay. I know what it does. I'm bad at explaining it. So bear with me for a second. So preload, it basically tells whatever node it's attached to say, hey, we're going to need this object, whatever that object is, be it a scene, an asset, something else, right? Hey, we need this. Make sure you have it ready. That's what that does. There is the alternative of load, which rather than having it at the ready, it says we're going to pull it every single time. At least that's how I had it explained to me. So it is much more efficient to use preload, and I don't know of a situation where load would be preferable. I'm sure somebody would. I don't. I have no clue. And on top of that, we have this is a reference variable up here, this obstacle 1, using that preload. So having this on ready. Oh. Wait. I don't know if I did the wrong thing or not. Load is good if your game is really big and you don't want to have everything loaded at the same time. Okay. That makes sense, yeah. Because this, yeah, the context for what I had been told about the preload versus load is the intention is to have a bunch of things on screen at once. So rather than pulling each individual time, you just have it there ready to go. But it was a relatively small game. It was that, I mean, it was what I just pulled it from. Which is just like a little, I'll launch it. I'll show you. Close. Alien attack. This is what it is, right? And this is why I decided to go with doing Flappy Bird, because I figure it's similar enough that I can be confident-ish in what I'm doing, but different enough that I can face some of my own challenges that I wouldn't have faced with this program. And so here, it's preloading the enemy scene, because there's going to be quite a few of them. I think it does the same for the rockets. It does not do the same for the rockets. Oh, hold on, wait. It does. It does do the same for the rockets. So yeah, that's the context for what I learned. Okay, and so for this, we now have obstacle. I thought for a second I put it in the game script. And then realized there wasn't even a game script because I had that tab open up there. That scared me for a second. Okay. References here. I'm not. I will add a container for the different possible objects, I think. Early learning stages, most of what I've seen has used limited scripting. Yeah, that makes sense. Because, like, going into the programming scripting aspect of anything, always seems like a big leap. I've noticed if you just kind of dip your toes in the water a little bit, if you have a little bit of direction, it's really easy really quickly. It's a matter of remembering what's there and knowing what to look for. So, like, just for example, earlier I discovered in the player here, this has a texture changed signal. It sends out a signal anytime the texture's changed, so you can cause an action to happen when this signal is sent out. I had no idea that was there. I hadn't even considered a need for that. Yeah, see, there we go. I didn't know that. I just saw it by chance, and I was like, oh, this is cool. I wonder what I could use this for. And I'm sure I could find a use case for it. But I don't have one at the moment. So there's like I'll move my little character here for a second. You can see like down here it's got property list changed, script changed, and everything. It's pretty cool. So now I know that's there, and I had no idea that was something I could look for. I had no idea that was something I could do. So for me, it's finding what's available. It's finding reasons to know what questions to ask. I feel like I'm muddying up my words a lot. Forgive me, I'm tired. I'm staying up for work tomorrow because I work night shift. So I have been, with the exception of a 2-hour nap, I've been up for almost 24 hours. So I'm a little scattered. Yeah, it's already 5 for me. Jeez. Yeah, pretty much. No, I got a nap. I got food. I did everything except for sleep. No. I mean, I got the nap, and that was like a few hours ago. So I'm not fresh off the nap, which I probably would have been more tired at that point. It's fine. I'm doing good. I have like maybe an hour left to stream, and then I'll find somebody to raid. Yeah, and then the timer here, right? I had to go and look up because I was like, you know what? I need to find what can I do to make this texture change. My initial thought was I didn't get rid of that variable. So setting a temporary variable, it should have been before apply force, shouldn't it? That's probably why it didn't work. Fine, whatever. I've found a different fix now. So the initial idea was I store the y coordinate, and then as soon as it hit a certain, the global position changed and hit a threshold below that temporary y, it would change back. Instead, I can get rid of that. I tell the timer to start, and when the timer is done, it changes. Which is so much simpler. But I did have to go looking because I saw a timer, and I'm like, I wonder if I can start the timer on a signal or on a command. And I could. I had briefly considered it before, but I was like, I can make this happen. I found a reason to go looking. And if you don't get to the point to find those reasons to go looking, then you're not going to learn much. You're just going to sit there lost. So anyways, save that because I've gotten rid of useless variable. Great. Obstacle spawner. That's right. I need to work on this. So I need to make a new node here. I was going to make it just a container, just a node. Just that. That was going to be the obstacle container. Very wise. I am unsure of that, but thank you. Okay, obstacle container. And that's where our obstacle scene is gonna go. You know what? I don't think I'll need to do that, because if I just not initiate. Initiate's not the word. I guess it is the word because it's initiating a variable. If I just initiate the obstacle container and I have obstacle 1 in the obstacle container, then I don't need this up here. Not super necessary. I'll just comment it up for now, just in case. And then this. So, ready bar obstacle. Oh, obstacle container. No. And so that should technically, I think, load in obstacle 1. Let's look at the 2D. Ah, I see. Okay, I think so. Saw Bracky started a new series on Godot. It's hooked me. I haven't heard of Bracky's. I should expand my horizons of who I'm watching, honestly, because I have been focused on that one course, but I've been looking at other resources that I've seen in the Jackie Codes Discord server. Most especially a whole like menu playlist on how to do menus in Godot. So I've been programming for a long time and it sounded wise to me. You know what? If it works, it works. Thank you for the compliment. I appreciate it. All right. So we have obstacle 1. Just because. Let's make an obstacle 2. We're going to undo the erasing and we're just gonna put it down here. All right. I'm gonna save. Obstacle 02. Okay. And we're going to make a new scene up here. I'm just going to follow the same process. All right, 2D. Yeah, come on. There we go. 2. And then we'll do the sprite. That's what I did before. Right, 2D, and longtime YouTuber took a few year break until now. Very smart and great presentation of information. I'll just check it out. I'm gonna pull that up so I don't forget because I have a tendency to do that. So Brackies YouTube. That's not how you spell YouTube. I put U2N. Okay, I have that pulled up so I won't forget because I know I will if I don't do that. I have a million tabs open because of that exact reason. Okay, I need now. No, I'm typing in the wrong thing. Collision shape 1. And then collision shape 2. Now see, I'm wondering if there's a way that I can make this more efficient rather than having the multiple obstacles. I don't think so. But that is something I will look into at another time, because for the time being, I just want to do this. And just have things moving on the screen. Streaming assets is not the folder I need. No, I don't want that either. I want here, texture. Oh, I guess not. I want here. Perhaps? No, it got put into the wrong folder. Move it over. Obstacle 2. Big, wonky. It's fine. Next video will be on GD scripts, so maybe it'll help us discover new ways to do things. I will be looking out for that. Actually, I should probably go subscribe while I'm at it. Just because it doesn't hurt. Breckies. Looks like he's got some other stuff on there too. There's Godot. I saw in the search. Oh, C# programming. C# is what I will be doing in the fall for my college classes. Okay. Okay. Ooh, doesn't. Okay. Switching account. Brecky. There we go. Yeah, so I'm sure that it will be pretty helpful for me because the current teacher that I am anticipating having for my what's the word? My C# class. I had her this past semester because this semester just ended for me. This was finals week, and next week I have my break before summer starts. Or before my summer classes start. So yeah, she's really nice. She's great. However, she did use some oh, I'm gonna have to make that go out of bounds. She did use a bunch of generated code, AI generated code for the class, and did not bother to check it before handing it off to us. So we ended up with a lot of really janky code that she last second would turn into a sort of class project of, hey, let's see if we can fix it, which was clearly not the intention because she stated that that was not the intention previously. Oh yeah. I was not too thrilled by that. Yeah. Busy schedule, prioritize the mental though. I've been trying, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, I'm gonna need to offset that, aren't I? Ooh. I'll figure out how I need to offset that later. We'll just get it there. Yeah, I was not a fan of that. I had her for 2 classes. So I had her for my C++ and I had her for Web Authoring 2. And both of them had this code. I did talk about it with my academic advisor and I was like, hey, this is a problem in my opinion. Because the only reason that we knew it was generated code and not her own work was because she stated it after she realized it was broken. Less than helpful, in my opinion, is what it is. She seems nice, she seems like a really nice teacher. And the thing is, she has experience is another thing that I know too. Like, she was talking about all the other jobs that she used to have and, different things that she used to do. She's had a lot of experience with C#, I know. Because she would constantly, whenever she was writing the code in class, accidentally use the wrong syntax. Which was kind of funny to watch us break it. Yeah, it was very frustrating. It's not something I look forward to doing again. And it's something I hope I won't have to. Okay. Let's just drop obstacle 2 in here and see. Oh man, that is... I wonder why, because I made it small here. I guess I kind of didn't, did I? Feels irresponsible or lazy, at least. Yes, yeah, it definitely feels lazy, I think. Because He imported the texture, not prefab, but I could be wrong. No, oh no, I absolutely, like, I didn't do any, this is what I did. I took this, and I just copied it over. Um, I was expecting to have to offset it one way or the other. I just need to make it smaller and thinner. I should probably compare it to its little cousin over here. Big cousin, I guess. Ooh. Okay. Let's try and match this up. With them being the same colors and make it difficult. Let's see if I can just get the thickness the same. Come on. Ugh. Come on. I think I know. Let's hold. Hmm? It was a little too small. Okay, maybe. Maybe? That's a little too big. It's fine. It's fine. Still in the learning stages. We're making it work. We're just gonna take that there. Well, how did I do it in the other one? I think I'd put it in the center, yeah? Looks like it. Just get rid of that. Get rid of it. Okay, let's see how this obstacle 2 looks. Oh, I moved the PNG and not the scene. Jesus. Okay. Need to make it skinnier. And that's that. Yeah. Let's see. I squeezed in the last one into an itty bitty little space. We're going to redo this. I think I need a bigger spot gone. And that may solve a little bit of the problem. Yes, replace it. Thank you. Okay. No. Rid of that. Yes. Yes. Remove it, please. And take it out. Drop it back in. Where did you drop it to? Why did you drop it there? Okay. Just have a new texture? Did it take the new texture? Is that what happened? Oh? I guess it did. We're gonna make it a little skinnier. A little smaller. So right in the middle. Actually, so what I think I had done before was line it up like so. I'm sure there are easier ways of doing this. I made it a little skinnier. I think this is the key to success. Okay, we have that there. Where'd the top one go? Top one is way over there. What are you doing, buddy? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Save that. See how it looks here. Good enough. I wonder... Because I'd have to copy this across all of them. There has to be a way to make this easier. Wonder... Maybe. Can I rename it? And how much will it break if I do? Not PNG. Oh, jeez, not that. That's not what I want to rename. I've made a blunder. Help. Okay. Okay, yeah. What are the settings for transform on the right? Okay. I will get back to that in a moment. I'm going to fix the name because I've messed it up. _1. Okay. Settings for transform. 2D right here. So transform. You can choose position, rotation, scale, and skew. So you can choose if it's going wonky like that. Which, It'd be nicer if I could, like, rather than having scale there, have it go to a height. But I guess technically I could figure that out with a little bit of math, but I feel like it's faster to eye it rather than figure out all the math involved in that. Because that is a number I would not want to type in. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect with script. I'm going to rename the script that I have down here to just be obstacle, because it's going to be the same concept for every single one of them. So I just want to see if this is possible. Just going to call it obstacle. So they're all going to operate the same. We go to here, attach a script. The existing script that is here. And then we go to obstacle 2 and do the same thing. PTS. And see, it will be reused. I didn't say, oh, I almost dropped my chips. Select 2 objects and make them the same. That would be nice. I could probably take the same transform things from obstacle 1 to obstacle 2 because it's from the same file. Or not. That's a scale of 1? Oh, yeah, okay. So that looks like... transform. Yeah. Yeah. So, I don't think I could copy them over easily, but it looks like it would just be using these same dimensions. Thank you for bringing that up, because that will be useful later on. Thank you. Okay. We have the game now. So when we look at obstacle 2 here, it fits nicely. And if we are to hit play, look at that. Beautiful. I need to clamp position. I need to make it not... I need to... Ooh. I want to make it. So if... Make a single obstacle have variables for dimensions. I bet you I could. Ooh. Oh, this is a raid? Ah! Hi, thank you for the raid! Hold on, I don't have things set up properly yet. I'm very sorry. There's no like things popping up on the screen. Welcome everybody. Hi. Let's see. Thank you, Mercenary Mage, for the raid of 20. Wow. Okay. Appreciate you guys. I'm currently working on Flappy Bird clone, as it says in the title. I have thus far... Kit, why are you still awake? Okay, thus far, I've made it jump. And I've made that move across the screen. I have learned that I can attach the same script to multiple different objects. Very good to know. Yeah, you should take care of yourself is what you should be doing. Oh yeah, how was the stream, Mercenary Mage? Still reading the manga. Okay, okay. Hit a 6, the stream was hard. Ah, I bet. Um, aside from that, how you doing? What were you up to? What were you up to doing on the stream? Oh, gotta run? Okay, you're good. Have a good night. Day, wherever, whatever you're at right now. Thank you for the raids. Thank you so much. All right. Um, Next thing I gotta work on is spawning these obstacles. I can make them hit me later. um, let's see. Yeah, so we're gonna spawn the obstacles. We have our little obstacle container here. We're gonna stick obstacle 2 in there. They are vastly different sizes. Okay, so if we take huh. They are ridiculously different sizes. Okay. We Interesting. I also realized I could have done that ages ago and been fine. Okay, and this is the Y. That's the Y for the. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Y for them, about the same, I think. Ooh, not quite. It's fine. I'm just gonna go back to that. Okay. Spawning. Spawning is going to be the fun part. So, what I do know here. Oh, I forgot I had I forgot I had copied a bunch of stuff over. So, pick random, I think, is going to be my favorite thing ever. So, we're just gonna stick this in there. Random spawn position is going to be. Oh, hold on. Wait. So we're gonna take our spawn positions array equals obstacle. And what did I call it? Obstacle container dot get children. Oh, are we not cooperating? Are we not liking that? Not liking that. Oh, why? Expected indent. Oh, yeah. You're gonna be angry about indents and stuff. Hold on. We're just gonna comment out everything. Or uncomment things. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Just container, and then random spawn position. Random. Okay. I love these two functions. I love just being able to snag a random thing out of the array. It's perfect. Okay. This position. In that context, I don't know that it mattered there. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Signals. I don't think. I don't think I need signals at the moment. We'll just remove that and just have it as a little header there. Bombs. Obstacle. When timer runs out. I'm gonna comment that. Yes, I need a timer, don't I? Okay. I'm gonna put that. No, that's not how you spell timer. Timer. Perfect. Timer in. Okay. I'm gonna before I continue, I'm gonna have a go at these salt and vinegar chips again. Earlier they tasted like cat hair for some weird reason, and may sound weird given, like, you know, the little avatar there. I don't have any cats. I don't know why it tasted like cat hair. And it doesn't this time. Tastes the way it's supposed to. Maybe it's that I'm a cat. Who knows? Oh. Sorry, I accidentally bumped the mic. A good point. But if I were really a cat, my stepdad would die. He would suffocate as soon as I just mutated into one. Because he is horrendously allergic. Alright, those are a tasty couple of chips. And water. And we're gonna continue figuring this out. So, this is not gonna be spawn enemy. It's gonna be spawn obstacle. So they're not enemies. They're not attacking. They are existing to get in the way and to do nothing else. Okay, I did spell it right. Good. You know what? I'm gonna check and make sure my spelling of obstacle is correct because I've been using it so much I feel like it's wrong. No, that is correct. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to keep that tab open. What's my monitor resolution? Oh god, I should know this off the top of my head, shouldn't I? It's God, I really should know this. Display. That's not at all what needed to come up. Oh god. Play. Current resolution is... Oh, what? Revert. What? I didn't change anything. Okay. Current resolution. 1920 by 1080. So yeah, that's where we're at. Oh, did I move something? Oh, I moved something that shouldn't have been moved. How did I do that? Okay. It's gonna look weird for a second. Just a moment. What happened? Oh, no. Okay, hold on. It's because this is randomly not the way it's supposed to be. Okay. It's back to the way it belongs now, I guess. I don't know what happened there. Oh, oops. Okay. Fixed. There was like a little strip of stuff at the bottom. I don't know. The whole point of me putting the clouds at the top there was because it was not filling out the screen quite right. So I don't know what was going on at the bottom there, but whatever. It's fixed. Besides the point. We got it. Okay. Spawn. Oh, cool. At this point, I'm hold on. Enemy. I'm just... There's a replace function. I know there's a replace function. I've used it before. Oh, come back. Okay, that didn't work as intended. Control. Aha! You can change color profile for the stream. I did not. I just like this, but I'll look and see if there's a better one that might actually look nicer. Oh, I'll just hit replace all. Okay. Theme, not theme product. Editor settings. Theme. Preset gray. Default's that blue, which I don't know. I like the warmer color of the gray. Let's see, breeze dark. What does that do? That's okay. Godot 2. It's pretty warm too. That's very, very purple. Kind of like that. We have gray, which is what I was on before. Which I think I've just gotten used to seeing this one at this point. Solarized dark. Let's see. No, I don't want that. OLED. I don't have an OLED monitor, but... Oh. Oh, that is too much. That's too much. That's too much. Go back to gray, please. Go back to gray. Here we go. Okay. So, now, this. I don't know how well this works. That's got a 1 second delay on it. Is it bugging out? Ugh. Oh, we live. What? I think. So 90s. Yeah. It's very harsh, but not harsh in like the light mode sense of oh my eyes, but it's the contrast is too much. It's just too high. I like the OLED dark mode for Discord on my phone, but I don't really like much else with an OLED, like with a completely just dark screen. I think Discord is pretty much the only exception to interfaces that have that. I have to bring out because of contrast live because like, oh, I'm sorry, Kit. I'm sorry. Oh, we live. Oh, live. Okay, I'm too many homophones in English. Okay. This. You know what? Oh, wait. Timer, auto start, and let it go. I'm just gonna see if it starts spawning things. It's not spawning things. It's fine. Oh, because I didn't instantiate. Oh, pff. That's why. The cat flying across screen. It's great. It's great. It's perfect. Okay, this. Where did I do obstacle scene? Oh, that was probably a thing that I got rid of. Oh. Okay. A little bit of water for good luck. Okay, what was supposed to be obstacle scene? Okay. Okay. I've realized this is stupid. This should be obstacle array. And I'm fixing things. Obstacle array. And change that. Yes, I know you're angry. I know you're mad. It's okay. Stay mad. Okay. Random obstacle equals this. Okay. We now have the obstacle array, which will take this container up here. Oh, excuse me, sorry. And take all of the little nodes out of it. Put it, yeah, and just put it into a little array. I pick a random one out of there, which will be our random obstacle. Because this is our small obstacle. Okay. That's something that should have been up here somewhere. I wonder if this will work with random obstacle that we have up there. God, that doesn't look like a real word. That does not look like a real word anymore. And how many units of time? Okay. In total, actually, you know what? I'll just pull up Steam because I launched it through Steam. Total of 66.2 hours. Granted, some of that has been me going to get food in the meantime and not actively interacting with it. Some of that has been me just messing around, doing whatever, following tutorials. The majority of it has been me in a Udemy course, following along. That's what a lot of this code is coming from, is the Udemy course that I was taking for Godot. So yeah, and this is me trying to make more sense of it and repurposing it, basically. Okay. I wonder if that will work. I have no idea if this will or not. That's the fun of it, right? Okay. Okay. It's gonna also spawn. Oh, that's right. We'd created a signal. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. I don't remember the point of that. I don't remember the reason why that was done in the project. Hold on. I have a note. Where'd my notebook go? Oh, there it is. Found it. Crisis averted. I have my note. Okay. Enemy spawner scene. Timer node. Shooting enemies. Spawn enemy function. Feeling on your own usually it's more permanent learning than just to follow along. True, which is exactly why I'm doing this. Because in me trying to repurpose it and not 100% understanding what's going on, I can break it and figure out what's broken. The tabletop simulator, a lot of it is me on idle sleeping at work, eating some of those actual time I use it though. Completely fair. I haven't used it in a while, but me and my D&D group were debating using it for D&D. We just have to figure out how to make it work. We'll see what happens. Yeah. So yeah, getting that flailing around trying to figure out what I'm doing more or less on my own. And trying to make sense of what I've been shown is exactly what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to get knowledge pounded into the brain. Let's see. Okay. These are playtest game basically the office app. Nice, nice. Let's see. Wait, did I? Oh. Vision Myers, signals. That's where it would have been in. Okay. What I need to do, some signals. That's not the signal we're looking at. What was the point in the enemy spawned signal? I don't remember what the point was in having that. I'm gonna look back at that and see if we can figure that out. Because I do not remember why. So this is where I pulled it from. This signal. Enemy spawned enemy instance. So what was the goal? I think maybe I had written it down. I think I'd written it down. Aha. Oh, the point of that was for the score. Was to be able to send... Huh. But why... Okay, so what was pulling in that signal? I think it was... What was it? Where was it? On enemy spawner. Enemy spawned. Instance stuck. Anyways, okay, yeah. So this is the game that I was working on in the Udemy course. That is part of it. So I figured it was similar enough to Flappy Bird that I could fumble around a little bit and still learn. But I had pulled some of the code from the script here, not this one. This one. But yeah, so in the Flappy Bird game that I'm making, I'm renaming, like repurposing enemy, quote unquote enemy spawns as the obstacles spawning. So in this case, I don't think I'm gonna make it pipes. I'm gonna make it moth based, so it's like a moth trying to get to a light source. So I'm probably gonna try to make it like leaves and grass and whatever. I just don't have any art for it at the moment. And that will be like later date sort of thing. Right now, I'm just sticking boxes in there and making the boxes hit boxes. And that is probably at, oh, I think I got about like 15 minutes left before I gotta try to sleep. Broken lights too. Ooh, broken lights would be, I like that. Kit, that's a very good idea. Thank you. Okay. So this, yeah, I think that had, sensing was spawn slash display animate that. So was it, which one? This one? This one was taking in that signal. Was adding the child. Okay. I'm seeing. Unfortunately, I don't think I can have two projects open at once. I just tell me how to draw. Kit, you have any ideas that you have? Throw them out there. My thought was grass, maybe other bugs, probably not. Leaves like through bushes. Broken lights, I think was a really good thought. I like that. At a loss for other branches, maybe. Like that was just random, like things you can find in a backyard or in the woods. Yeah, I'm tackling art currently as well, refusing to use AI art, but god, this nightmare with a budget of 0. Yeah, spider webs. Spider webs is good. We love spider webs. Not when we walk into them, which is exactly the point. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you for the idea. Yeah, no, I myself am not, I would not consider myself an artist. I dabble in things. What is plants that eat insects called? Venus flytraps. Or pitcher plants. Or sundews, I think is the other one. Sundews, yes. Sundews are very cool. And I think actually sundews would probably fit the best. So there's some of them that are more in a straighter line, and the way that they work is really cool. So the bug piranha plants. Oh, I don't think I've heard of piranha plants, but oh, sundews. Okay, so it's got like a bunch of like little things sticking out of it with sap, or not sap, but you know, some kind of sticky syrupy thing that attracts the flies and whatever. Oh, Mario piranha plants. Okay. Oh my god, I feel like an idiot. Sorry. Piranha plants, yeah. Okay, sundews. I'm losing focus fast. So when a bug lands on it, it sticks, and as it's struggling and like hits more of the little sensors, whatever the actual technical term is, it wraps in and completely just swirls around the bug, which is really cool. Just sleep nearly 5. I was gonna wake up and be like, what the fuck are you doing? Gonna have your wisdom teeth removed on Monday. You need to be awake to actually get there. You do need to be awake. Thank you for being here, kid. I appreciate you. Going to bed. This has been fun. I'll be back. Okay, very good to hear. I will be attempting to stream more frequently, especially trying to gain more skill with game dev. So thank you for being here. I appreciate you, Rocky. Okay. All right. Thoughts. Okay, right. So I'm figuring out this and my spawner add child. So that's why, because there's a container that is in here to do that. It's 6 a.m. and I have no idea what I'm doing with my life. It's almost 6 a.m. for me too, man. I'm giving myself at 6 a.m. is probably when I'm going to be ending stream. Because then I have like an hour to kind of wind down and get ready for bed, because I go to bed at like 7 before I go to work. I'll give me time to wind down, relax after stream, look some stuff up. Amraki earlier had recommended Racky's as a YouTube channel to watch, so I'll probably scroll through some of his content as well. In the meantime, and child is there, so I'd taken it out of this in order to emit the signal to spawn it in the game script. He's recently got fired before to work at 7. Now, what happened if you're fine with sharing? Oh, just attendance sucked. And hated anyways. Fair enough. You know, there's I feel like that with my job sometimes. But it's just oh, because I'm working at a hospital at the moment. Healthcare is not where I saw myself, not where I want to stay, but it's where I'm at. And like I do see value in it. I just hate it. I just don't like it. I don't want to be there. It's 12-hour shifts, which means I'm guaranteed a 30-minute break. As long as things don't get crazy, but in a mailroom, oh man, that's tedious. I wouldn't be able to. No, because at least like being in the hospital, while it's not while I don't really enjoy it, I'm at least busy. You know what I mean? If I can keep myself busy, I'm normally fine. Um, but just as sorting mail, I'm assuming I would just knock out. I would go on autopilot and go home and be like, "Did I do anything today? I don't feel like I existed." That's monotonous. Just work on notes for my gamer card ideas. They started getting on me for that. Why? Like, was as long as it was spare time? I don't see the issue. And like, because if they're not gonna have you do anything anyways, then loses the point. Or if it's not affecting your work, micromanaging BS. Yeah, I felt that. That's part of the reason why I work night shift, because night shift is not when any of like not like the higher ups come around. They all want to be day shift or whatever, or they all have to be day shift because that's when normal business operations happen or whatever garbage. I'm not a morning person on top of this, so I can listen to music and do stuff, especially towards the end of the shift when I'm stocking the floor, I'm stocking the walls, getting the med carts filled up, doing all of the fun like things. And just put earbuds in. If I did that on day shift, I'd get crucified. Low-key miss nights. Nights are great. As long as you can stay up during them, because there's a lot of people I know on day shift that hate day shift, but know that they would not be able to stay awake at night. They just couldn't. And that is, man, that kind of sucks, but it's not me. I am incredibly happy with a night shift thing. Okay. Random instantiate. And then we're emitting that signal. Sleep all day, stay up all night like now. Yep, same. I did that anyway. I figured, you know what? If I'm gonna be awake all night long, I might as well work. Just get it out of the way. Cause it sucks waking up in the afternoon. Like especially so I work 2 days in a row. Um which doesn't sound like a lot, but doing two 12-hour shifts one right after the other. So, I know people who do more, but I'm also young, and that's past my limits. I'm good. um, but yeah, it's sucks. It sucks bad. Oh my god, I did not actually form a sentence. I didn't form a sentence there. I'm sorry. Um, waking up the next day, right? Because I live with my family at the moment, so I have a lot of my siblings around that I'm not able to hang out with them over the weekend because I work Friday, Saturday, and then sleep all day Sunday, and then they go to class throughout the rest of the week. It's like I don't get to hang out with them as often as I would like, but if I were working day shift, I'd get fired. People are too obnoxious. People are obnoxious on night shift, but at least we can say, "Hey, visiting hours are over. Get out." You're looking into moving, so job stuff is last on to do unless they land a remote job. Remote jobs? I feel like they're really good for a lot of people. I don't think I'd be able to, personally, because like you see, I'm here. Like I'm the part of the reason why I'm streaming is to keep myself accountable. I don't think I'd be able to keep myself accountable at a remote job. But like if you can do it, man, more power to you, because that is so useful to be able to have. Because you can just go wherever as long as you get the work done. Just be on vacation 24/7 if you get a good enough one, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's why I'm working on my stuff, ADHD hell. I'm, as far as I know, I don't have it. I'm not diagnosed with anything, but to be fair, I haven't been tested. It's just, it helps me. Yeah, so if I do have it, I'm unmedicated. I don't, I don't know. I don't know if it would help to be or not for me personally. But oh, why did I do that? Okay. What was the rest of that signal that I missed? I'd gotten rid of that earlier. As long as it works. Exactly. Do what's best for you. As long as it doesn't hurt anybody else, it doesn't matter. All right. I need to remember what. Oh, actually, maybe I have it in my notes, so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Going back and forth has been a pain. It's been the bane of my existence this entire stream. Oh, no, I don't think I have it. Nope. Nope. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pop open that other project then. Oh, I only got 4 minutes. Oh. I'm gonna get the signal thing done first. Get the signal thing done, and then just like, and then find somebody to raid, I suppose. Yeah. All right, let's do. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? There. Okay. This one that we needed. This signal. Enemy instance. There. Well, then why do you... Oh, that's why. Okay, 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 okay. Gotcha. I don't know if enemy... Okay. So yeah, emit signal being a command like that. That makes sense. Makes... not command. Function. Jesus. Quit project list. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Oh, are we cooperating? We are. Okay. Obstacle spawned. Obstacle instance. Rather than coding as a job, or is this for a hobby? I would like to do it as a job. And I mean also kind of on the side as a hobby, depending on what job I end up landing. I would love, honestly love, to end up in a game dev job. But if I don't, I do still want to do it as a hobby. Like, I still want to make things. I'd love to, like, be confident enough to jump into a game jam and complete a project. You know? Yeah, thank you. Appreciate you. Happy you stopped by. I'm gonna get this final thing done. Which I think that's... Oh, why are we mad? Why are we mad? Why are we mad? What are we mad about? Huh? What? Oh? Oh. Is something wrong? What'd I do? Signal obstacle spawn. Index P column 2 out of bounds. Can you show me where? I don't think it wants to show me where. Why are we upset? Why are we mad? What are you mad about? What are you mad about? It's mad at me for no reason. It's out of bounds. What do you mean? That? Is that what we're angry about? We didn't need that code anyway. Of course, kind of random because I have no idea what's going on. Clicked on stream under software and game development. Yeah, no, fair. I'm... I'm fine. You don't need to know what's going on. I'm just happy to have you here. If you have questions, I will explain to the best of my ability. Ability isn't super high right now, but I do what I can. Okay. I don't know why it's giving me an error at all. He's fine. It's fine. It'll be fine. Game. Let's see. So we're gonna put obstacle spawner. Oh. Oh, I think I see an issue. It's an issue I can fix another time. It is not an issue I'm doing tonight. It is an issue that exists for not now, I think. You know what? I wonder if turning these invisible would affect the spawning of them. For the time being, I'll leave them not invisible and save myself the headache of figuring out why it's not working later. Do that there. This looks 2D. Yeah, kind of figured it'd look like that. Alright, that's all I'm doing for tonight. I need to go to bed. Let's figure out who to raid. Let's pull up Ooh, not in the corner there. Let's pull up Twitch. Let's see what we got. Do you have anybody in particular you'd like to raid? Morning rest. Thank you. Good, eat safe. Remember, don't eat while sleeping. I'll try not to. I don't think I've had that issue before, but just in case, I'll keep that in mind. My people are off, I think. Yeah, I have Ferret Software, Pirate Software, and OMG Loudmouth. I might do OMG Loudmouth. He does music stuff. What do you guys think about music stuff? He's like a DJ sort of thing. Music works. Gotcha. All right. All right, everybody. Prepare to raid OMG Loudmouth. All right. Thank you guys for coming to the stream. All the raiders and the people who raided me, thank you so much. I hope to see y'all again. enjoy music. Bye, guys.